Here's how to learn social media marketing if you're a complete beginner with zero experience. So first of all, just focus on one platform. Don't try to learn all of the platforms out there, but just focus on one. So either you focus on Facebook and Instagram, they are one, or maybe you only do Google ads, maybe you become the YouTube ads expert. And that takes me to point number 2. Once you've selected your platform, only select one specific niche and one specific market. So let's say you selected Facebook ads. So let's say you selected YouTube ads. And now you're only going to help gym owners with Facebook ads. You're not going to help everybody with everything, but you're only gonna help one market and one specific niche. My tip number 3 is to become obsessed about your market's needs and desires. You have to know about this. My tip number 4 is just to start to sell it. Try to get your first client as soon as possible, even if you don't know how to deliver the results just yet. The main thing is to get your first client, and that takes me to point number 5, to learn as you go. You can always hire somebody else to do the service delivery for you.